Hi, so in this video we are going to see how we can enable smooth scrolling inside any Android smartphone. So for this the process is very simple. You have to go to your settings, and after that you have to scroll down and look for Realme Lab. And you can see here that in this particular window you will get this Realme Lab heading, and you can see that smooth scrolling is written over here. So you need to enable this particular option, smooth scrolling. Scroll your screen more smoothly. And if you like this particular function, then you can give a like as well, or you can give a dislike if you haven't liked it. So what this does actually is let your scrolling, if you are scrolling suppose YouTube or Facebook or Instagram, it makes the experience more smoother for you. So thanks for watching this video. Give a like on this video, and also if you haven't subscribed to the channel, then please consider subscribing. Your one like and your one subscription is a huge motivation for us to make more and more videos. Till then, goodbye and take care.